Hip hip, hooray! Y'all don't understand how happy I am to find sandals. And I don't care what people say about sandals and socks. I don't care because my feet get sweaty and sticky. So they don't have Velcro Nike ones, which I need to adjust them because I have small but wide feet. So I need a small size, but usually I don't know what it's like to have narrow kinds of feet. You know, I wish these would fit, but I'm just looking for a size here. Oh man. Nope. So apparently size 7 fits better for me, so I must have much smaller feet than I realized, y'all. You learn something new every day. Especially shopping, and I guess I just don't go shopping very much. Actually, my mom bought my